One game. Two alliances. 4 teams. 140 seconds. The competition takes place on a 12-foot square field covered with foam tiles. In the center of the field, there is a 28-inch raised steel and Lexan platform. The primary game object for this year's game is a 3-inch foam cube. 30 of these cubes are located on the field. 20 are located in 4 autoloaders, and 8 are available to be preloaded in autonomous mode. Also, there's 1 large bonus cube located on top of the platform. At the edges of the field, there are 8 triangular goals varying in height from 3 to 21 inches. There is also a low goal marked by a tape line in the corner. Teams will compete in alliances of 2, with 4 robots on the field in 2-on-2 matchups. Robots begin each match touching part of the 2 alliance tiles of their color. All robots must be able to fit into an 18-inch cube to start each match. Each team consists of 2 student drivers and a coach. The coach can be an adult or a student. Matches are 2 minutes and 20 seconds long, starting with 20 seconds of autonomous mode. In autonomous mode, robots will operate with no driver input, responding only to pre-programmed routines and sensor inputs. The alliance that scores the most points in autonomous mode, excluding the bonus cube, receives a 5-point bonus. After the autonomous mode, the match continues with 2 minutes of driver control. Student drivers now control their robots in an effort to score as many points as possible. Each cube placed in a goal is worth 1 point for the alliance of the cube's color. All scores are calculated at the end of the match, so cubes can be removed from the goals to negate the points. The alliance with the highest cube in a goal is awarded a 5-point bonus for owning the goal. Teams can earn a 5-point bonus by controlling the bonus cube. A bonus cube is controlled by an alliance if their colored side of the cube is touching the foam playing surface. Teams who finish the match parked on the platform earn an additional 5 points for the alliance. Let the game begin. What an exciting match. Let's add up the scores and see who won. And the winner is Blue Team. Congratulations!